Do not even think about it. Miss Ba, say hello. Miss Ba. Uko ni bora la msana te? Uko ni bora te? Yana mujera li chai ni mu pandere. Sina. Hello. Yo, okay. Hello. Ndo no ya live ka YouTube. I think na ngwatu tu ya. Holo dani ya mande na lavi. Ishto manda na chere dewe. Shoo. Hadi mandu ro di bela. Yar man. Na chinoteti wesh. Dokuti zvabe wona nodzira no tata. Ndadibiwa mashopa na dhavana kuzo kuchimba nchisedza sedzuri Mr. Presley guy. Hana titi wesh. Inu injunika. Sawane ningani salidivizo ninga guy Mr. Presley. Kagai. How David? How David Taban? Tabani mola munangone mtu mwana mmoja na kwa ngantaka na ngafasi. Kama parani zozo jana ni kama uko jana ngazula zanga ngemra. Udaba jana ngazamra wange. Hello. When was the last time you ever saw me? Like, I don't know when was the last time I was here. And to say that I have not, you know what? Bye. Wow, guys, it's been a long time since I've been live on YouTube. You know what? Life got so busy. It got so busy that I literally disappeared. Motherhood had me on chokehold. Okay, I was no longer on YouTube because like motherhood was showing me flames. Like I had a lot going on, to be honest. I was in recovery with my health. I was going through postpartum depression. I think I made one live video here where I was like admitting that I think I'm going through postpartum. And then there were issues with my mother. She is having eye problems. She has what do they call them? Cataract. Yes. So that is also another issue for another day. She needs close care, close attention, her eyes. One of her eye doesn't see as much. Actually, it just doesn't see at all. So it's been a hell of a ride, okay? And I am going through some legal battles with regards to the kids' dads. Guys, there is so much to update you on. There's really so much. It's only after last month, after it's only after May that I've started feeling like myself again. Like my routine that I used to have before I had Lily, everything was just coming back, flowing back in, and I could feel like myself again. Oh, and it felt so good. So if you're somebody who used to watch my live, hi and welcome again. I'm gonna try to be consistent. It's just that I've been consistent on YouTube, on Facebook, sorry, more, because on Facebook I am monetized. The side I'm still fighting. It's not even funny. Hi, Captain Supreme. Hi, Captain Supreme. How are you? So everything has been crazy, and we are literally on winter this side of the world. In South Africa, it's winter now. So it's one of my favorite seasons, but still at the same time, it's so cold. My content, I focus mainly on motherhood here on YouTube, motherhood, village life type of content. On Facebook, I also try to focus on the same thing, but it's not easy, it's not easy. But I'm trying to shift away from the kids. I no longer want to create content involving the kids. Like with Lily, I'm planning to start weaning her. I don't know if that's the right word because I was breastfeeding her, but now I plan to stop next month because she's gonna be 1 year 6. She's working, guys. Those who know Lily as a baby, Lily is working now. She's running. Lily is talking. Lily has a mouth full of teeth. Lily, Daddy, hi. Lily. And mainly one of the reasons why I was no longer doing live videos was because I would forget and then and have like kids and then have kids on my live videos and then forget and sort of like go outside for a minute. When I come back, YouTube would have suspended my account because kids, I think under 16 or something, they're not supposed to be left alone on live videos. So I just stopped because it was forever happening. Oh my God, Captain Supreme is saying that great. I love my mother. Mothers play such a huge role. We do. We do. We play beautiful roles. We play. I'm China. So she finished a snack. She wants a snack. I don't have snacks. I did a restock on snacks on Thursday. They ate all the snacks. They ate all the pretzels that I had. And then the big underdog is here. Emmanuel is here. Emmanuel, no, 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 no. Emmanuel is so big as well, but you know Emmanuel. But you know Emmanuel. Everyone go bora. You know Emmanuel, ne? He's so naughty. He's really, really naughty, and he's getting on the bed. Ew. Hmm? Cheza. Cool. So I need to bath. And then Lily woke up when I was about to bath. She started being cranky, and now here we are. If it wasn't for Lily crying, believe you me, I would have delayed coming back on YouTube more. This is whenever Emmanuel tries to speak English, I love. Okay, I love, and I'm really hungry. I think this is great for first coming back day. Normally I would go on for like an hour on this live, but I don't know today because it was totally unplanned. Guys, are you watching the World Cup? I'm not. I'm not even interested on it. Chaza ban futhi. Eh, bani sa dawa sama. Eh, ini dawa sama nama. Shu. No. So there is one other thing that I enjoy. better than any other thing is motherhood, guys. Like being a mother is one of the greatest joy I've ever had. I've sorry, I've ever had. Cheza, come on, bring that. I think the number of me. Number. I think the number of Tamba Zenda. Console. Oh, so the kids want to eat, so I have to go and prepare their meals. Cheza, ndori tell me. Cheza, ndori tell me. Cheza, ndori tell me. Ndori peranin. Dagaro, peranin. Jesus, so that was not nice. So the kids are saying they're hungry. So the kids are saying they're hungry, so I have to go and prepare some food. Maybe I'll do it live later on today. I cannot wait. I love you guys. Lily, what's the problem, though? Chaza. Hey, I